We got another package. What do y'all? Probably Dre today, and I got a package. I got some more shoes that I really wanted from the release date, but Sneaker app didn't do me right, bro. They didn't do me well at all. But this shoe is another dunk. I'm going to say that now. And it's not the shoe that I was talking about. That's gonna be my biggest cop. It's not that shoe, because that shoe, it was a strange love dunks, but them shoes $1,000 now, so that's kind of that's kind of a lost dream. Now they was 500, and they shot the. I watched them as they go to they went to $1,000 within like a week and a half. It was crazy. But I've been ordered these before I was thinking about the strange love. So let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm talking about. My box cutter not even on me. Alright, got my box cutter. Strong enough to cut the sides. Alright. That should be enough. Shit. Alright, packaging paper, we'll use that. In case I want to sell some shoes. Alright, put that box down to look. Regular Nike box. Just like Dunks 10.5. Nike Dunk Low SP. White, orange, blaze. I've been ready to see what these look like in person, so. Oh my God, bro. Dude. These is crazy in person, bro. These is just. Oh my God. I'm really shocked at how good he look in person. Like, this is wild. I know y'all can see this on camera, but like, I think even the camera can't do this any justice, bro. Whoa, I'm really shocked, bro. This is crazy. Let me get the other shoe out. These is crazy. This orange, I chose the Syracuse's because I like the orange. The orange, like, it reminds me of the reverse shadow backboards. That's what they reminded me of. And that orange really pops, especially since it's gonna be summertime. I feel like this is the perfect shoe for summertime. I wanted to get the Kentuckys. Too, but they went up. These are at $3. I just checked earlier, and the Syracuse is at $3.90 now. They just keep going up. I noticed that. I want to get the Kentuckys, but they going up too. They're like $3.50 in my size. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to wait to try to catch a steal from them, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. But these though, crazy as you can tell. Simple, just like the dunk. Got the Nike on the tongue, Nike on the sole, low top. Like the leather really good. They said the quality control on these is bad. They is, yup. I see what they was talking about, bro. Damn, you see that? Right there. It's a cut. That is tough. Oh, that's not cut. False alarm. I think this is glue. Okay, it's glue. Alright, it's glue. I can wipe that off. I thought it was like a cut in the leather, like a triangle. I would be like, damn, bro. Oh, really something wrong with them? But now we good though. But other than that, this is really a good shoe. Like these is crazy. Like the leather, like everything, the color. I think I got the. I always get told I got the perfect size for it. I wear 10.5. So these don't look too long on my feet, and they don't look too small, so they look damn near perfect. I don't know. It's a little. The quality. I don't know. The quality control. I don't know. It's like little strings and shit. I don't know if I can see it. Quality control. It wasn't. These wasn't that bad. It's little strings and shit coming off the ankle, but other than that, these really solid. But yeah, I wanted to make a quick little video showing y'all that what I got. I also think this was a solid pickup, to be honest. Very good pickup. I would recommend getting these. But I don't know how y'all's gonna come. Mine came pretty good. I don't know if y'all's gonna come out bad or not. But that's it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe for more. I'm gone.